Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we're diving deep into Rigetti Computing. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 30th of January, 2025. And now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 14th of January 2025, our system has categorized Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 2.07. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Those who adhered to our analysis would have experienced a remarkable gain of 37.43% since we initially designated Rigetti Computing as a buy candidate 12 days ago. This amounts to an average return of 3.12% each day since it was identified as a buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the lower segment of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, presenting a potentially advantageous buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $9.33 is breached, it will initially indicate a deceleration in the rate of increase, but it may also serve as an early warning sign of a possible trend reversal. The existing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of 192.14% over the upcoming 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from 121.53% to 491.78%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it points to a potential change of 58.77% over the next year, with a possible return fluctuating between negative 64.63% and 165.23%. This results in a projected price range of $4.35 to $32.62 after a year. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline, Volatile Ride for Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price on Thursday, moving between $12.12 and $13.37. The Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock price fell by 2.84% on the last day Thursday, the 30th of January 2025, from $12.66 to $12.30. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 10.31%. with a low of $12.12 and a high of $13.37. The price has decreased in 7 of the last 10 days, but is still up by 12.43% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day along with the stock, which is a positive indicator since volume typically follows the stock. On the last day, the trading volume declined by 11 million shares, and in total, 94 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $1.16 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $21.42, and the lowest was 66 cents. Currently, the price is 42.58%, or $9.12, below the 52-week high of $21.42, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, trading under the symbol RGTI, continues to attract significant attention following a series of impactful announcements. Recent comments from the company's CEO during a question-and-answer session with Wall Street analysts have revealed insightful details that investors find compelling. Notably, Rigetti's participation in an investor conference has not only generated excitement but also delivered critical updates from management, which typically influences market sentiment positively. Over the past year, RGTI has experienced extraordinary growth, with a staggering 1,500% increase in stock price, despite its current challenges of deep unprofitability and minimal revenue. Such innovations and advancements in quantum computing solidify Rigetti's position as a pioneering force within the industry. Their strategic partnerships and cutting-edge technology at the Fab 1 facility indicate robust growth potential as demand for quantum computing escalates. However, caution is advised, as recent forecasts from analysts suggest that some quantum computing stocks could experience drop up to 77%. This volatility, coupled with the current trading performance of RGTI, reflects a 0.5% decline in the latest session, indicating potential instability. In the short term, these mixed signals could lead to fluctuations in RGTI's stock price as investors weigh the positive developments against market uncertainties. Longer term, Rigetti's established first-mover advantage and strategic initiatives could position the company for significant growth, making it a notable player in the burgeoning quantum computing landscape. Ultimately, ongoing monitoring of their progress and market conditions will be crucial for investors considering RGTI as part of their portfolios. Analyst ratings. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was reported that B. Riley assigned RGTI a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December 2024, it was reported that Craig Hallam issued a buy rating for RGTI with an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Needham granted RGTI a buy rating along with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July 2024, it was reported that B. Riley once again rated RGTI as a buy with an initialize action. On Tuesday, the 28th of March 2023, it was reported that Needham assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general sell rating. They assess the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock currently presents a sell signal based on the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal indicated by the long-term average. Because the short-term average is positioned above the long-term average, this creates an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. Should the stock experience additional gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $13.01. If the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at about $11.82. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will generate a sell signal. Some negative indicators have also emerged, which may impact the short-term outlook. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Thursday, January 2nd, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 38.5%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, a sell signal is currently present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. The volume has decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which mitigates overall risk, as volume typically aligns with price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal 19 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal, 72 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 14 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 10 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal 6 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 72 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal 65 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $10.94 and $10.69. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, since if this is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support just below today's level at $10.94. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $10.69 and $10.04. This stock may experience significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility, and with a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to be very high risk. Over the last day, the stock moved $1.25 between its high and low, representing a percentage change of 10.31%. For the last week, the stock has had an average daily volatility of 14.53%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies can go through challenging times, often due to factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and potential bankruptcy risks. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 12th of March, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $13.20. If you do not already own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who are already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Rigetti Computing faces its first support level at $10.94. If this support level remains intact, it could serve as a good entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing, according to various analyst sources, is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 12th of December, 2024, Johnson Rayot executed an insider purchase of 98,373 shares of common stock. On the same day, Johnson Rayot also conducted an insider sale of 98,373 shares of stock options, which provide the right to buy. On the 10th of December, 2024, Clifton Michael S. sold 125,000 shares of common stock as an insider transaction. Just a day prior, on the 9th of December, 2024, Clifton Michael S. again sold 125,000 shares of common stock. On the 6th of December, 2024, Clifton Michael S. completed another insider sale of 125,000 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of 0.155. In total, insiders have purchased 7,940,549 shares, while selling 4,456,636 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.63, reflecting a decline of 5.42%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which contributes to a heightened level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal generated from a pivot top identified 18 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Several short-term indicators, along with an overall positive trend, suggest that the current price may present a buying opportunity. There is a reasonable chance for Rigetti Computing Incorporated stock to perform favorably in the short term. After evaluating the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Friday, the 31st of January, we anticipate Rigetti Computing to open at 297 cents and begin trading at $12.60. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and it is essential to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.